Is food grade oil from the grocery store, like this grapeseed oil right here, the same as the carriers and oils that make up our favorite beard oils, like this one right here? Well, I'm going to answer that in today's video. I think it's going to be a short, but hopefully helpful and interesting video for you guys. But welcome. My name is DanCBearded. If you're new here, consider looking at that subscribe button down below. If it's flirting with you a little bit, maybe give it a click. If you're returning, thank you guys for driving me to put out the best possible content and consistency that I can. Putting scent aside, are these two products the same? The majority of beard oil is made up of carrier oils. Food grade oils are almost always different types of carrier oils. Have you noticed that? The stuff we use for cooking is oftentimes found in our beard products. But are they the same? Is there something different about the stuff on the shelf in your grocery store as compared to the things you put on your face? The answer might surprise you, and the answer is sometimes, maybe. The most important aspect that you want to look for if you're going to try and get some food grade oils to use on your skin or your beard is going to be the term cold pressed. The extraction method is the most important aspect when it comes to quality of carrier oils. The brand, the source, all those things will play a part, but the first and foremost, the easiest one is, does it say cold pressed? Almost all of the quality companies that we know and love are hopefully going through suppliers that they really research and really trust, and those suppliers are using cold pressed methods. So what happens when it's not cold pressed? Well, it usually involves a chemical like hexane. They're putting something in there that's going to remove the oil away from the source, as compared to cold pressed, which they literally take the seed, they take the plant, whatever is bringing us that oil, and they press it until the oil squeezes out. It'd be like making orange juice from an actual orange. So rather than all the other methods, taking the orange and squeezing it. Well, that's what we want for our face. Now this is literally what is up in my cabinet for my kitchen, what I use to cook, what I use on my grill, what I use for frying. I love grapeseed oil for those purposes. Well, this one is 100% grapeseed oil made from the seeds of wine grapes from France, all these things on here, but there's nothing that says cold pressed. I was like, never really thought about it before making this video. So I went online, checked out the company, looked a little bit deeper. It turns out it does not look like this one is cold pressed. They likely use another extraction method. Now that was kind of mind blowing to me. Now I really take a look at my beard products and the companies I use, the companies I test, the companies I support, and that's a big aspect for me. I want the best of the best on my face. If I were buying these, I'd pay a little bit more to get cold pressed quality oils. Now, when it came to food, for whatever reason, I never considered that. If I saw 2 grapeseed oils on the shelf at our grocery store, I went with the one that was a little bit less because I was trying to save money, I'm frugal, all that stuff. But then I'm making this video and I'm like, man, if I really care about what's going on my face, shouldn't I care what's going on my plate? Right? If I'm worried about hexane going on the beard, I guess I should be worrying about consuming it, which is so true. This beard journey has led me on that path many times. I've been very conscious about the health of my facial fur, and that has bled over to other aspects of my life. I've changed my deodorant, I've changed my body wash, my head hair shampoo, and everything just because of being aware, just because of being conscious, and this is no different. But let me be clear, you can absolutely find carrier oils, food grade oils like grapeseed oil, like olive oil, like coconut oil, in the grocery store that are cold pressed that would work wonders on your skin, your hair, and essentially your beard. Now, it's not going to smell good, it's not going to be fancy, but if you're on a budget and you're looking to try and treat your beard and give it some nourishment, that is one area you can go down. Just make sure you do a little bit of research and find out the best aspects that would make those oils a great choice for your beard. All right. To wrap this up, to end this, guys, do you have any questions? Have you ever had any experience where you ever cooking and you're like, I wonder what this would do for my beard, and you threw some olive oil on your beard or something like that? Let me know any aspect down in the comments below. I will read it, I will respond, and I do appreciate it. So thank you guys. DanCBearded, stay bearded and stay positive.